Good day, ma'am. My name is Joshua Philip M. Nunez, Plambrak 3P. Today, I'm gonna report about the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. First is the collection of computer data. According to the Section 12 Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, law enforcement authorities with due cause are authorized to collect or record by technical or electronic means traffic data in real time associated with specified communication transmitted by means of a computer system. So, according to Section 12 of the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 in the Philippines provide that ang law enforcement daw na sila authority to collect o mag-record sa isa ka traffic data. Means, ang traffic data, ang pasabutan is this refers to information that is generated by the use of a computer system. So, ang pasabutan ni ang pasabot sa traffic data kanina ko nga data amo ni ilagi ginagamit for during the transmission of or kini traffic data bali amo ni ilagi ginagamit nga communication bali. This provision is very significant in the context of combating cybercrime and ensuring that the law enforcement can effectively maka-monitor daw sila o maka-investigate sila sa mga criminal activities nga nahitabo gamit ang computer system. Next is the other electronic storage device. Here is the guidelines by the PNP Operational Procedure Manual in handling other electronic storage device. There are three followings about in handling in electronic storage devices. First is the first responder should understand that other electronic device may contain viable evidence associated with the crime. So, as a first responder daw, dapat kabulata na ang mga electronic device daw nga atong nakuha is contain daw ni siya og mga valuable evidence kanang means kanang mga importante nga atong nakuha sa crime. Then the first responder must ensure that unless an emergency exists, the device should not be accessed. So kita nga first responder pass-ipar lamang dapat unless an emergency exists, dapat ang computer data nato na gather dili daw siya na basta-basta ma-access nan lain. Then should it be necessary to access the device, the FR should ensure that all action associated with the manipulation of the device should be noted in order to document the chain of custody and ensure an submission of the court. So dapat kita sab kuno nga as a first responder daw dapat ikaw dapat ay katong na mga record o nga nag-gather na mga computer data dapat naka-noted daw na siya in order kuno para adi sila to ihatag sa chain of custody dili daw siya nalaong na kanang na original jud siya. Then pwede na to na din pagkahuman ang chain of custody sila na ang mag-present og evidence dito sa court. Next is preservation of computer data. The traffic data and subscriber information relating communication service provided by a service provider shall be preserved for a maximum period of 6 months from the date of transaction. Then, content data shall be similarly preserved for 6 months from the date of receipt of the order from law enforcement authorities requiring its preservation. So, based akong acceptance sa preservation of computer data, ma'am. Ang kani sila ng mga data, need daw ni sila ay ang service provider ko na mag-provide ni sila o kanan ang mga data once na ang isa ka law enforcement officer na kinahanglan nga mag-provide mo na ng mga data para i-preserve na sila within 6 months para in order magud kung kinahanglan na dyan na kanan ng mga data i-present sa court, na-reserve pa na nila hatag. Last is search, seizure, and examination of computer data. Where a search and seizure warrant is properly issued, the law enforcement authority shall likewise have the following powers and duties. Number 1 is to conduct interception within time period specified to the warrant. Then, to secure a computer system or a computer data storage medium. Then, number 3 is to make and retain a copy of those computer data secured. To maintain the integrity of the relevant stored computer data. Number 5, and then to conduct forensic analysis or examination of the computer data storage. And then number 6 is to render inaccessible or remove those computer data in the access of computer or computer and communication network. So, based ako na sabtan diri sa search and seizure and examination of data, ang law enforcement officer are authorized to search na sila yung authorization para mo search sa isa ka computer, then or any other electronic devices and seize computer data that may serve as evidence of a cybercrime. So, next is, after the seizure of the data, after daw nila makuha og ang data sa isa ka computer system, ang forensic expert daw mag-examine na siya sa data ngayong nag-gather sa crime. The next is the law allows for the duplication or copying. So, kinahanglan daw na kay duplicate or copy sa na-system mo dito, especially if it is stored in electronic form. So, isasab ni siya makatabang para ang isa ka original data naara na siya permi. Tapos, dili na siya basta-basta dayon mahilabtan unless manggaling kung ang copy mawaya, nagya mo kay original copy na may ikapakita. And that's all. Thank you.